Hey my clouds, welcome back to my channel. This is Stormy Knight. Today I am back with a tutorial on how to apply strip lashes. I hear from women all the time that they don't like strip lashes because they don't know how to apply it. I promise you, once you get a little bit of practice, it'll come to you just like that. 1, 2, 3, and you are out the door. So let's roll right to the video. I do want to let y'all know that I like to use Salon Pro hair glue. I've used eyelash, like real eyelash glue, but I really don't like it because it's not as tacky as this, and it just takes a little while to dry. I just really don't like the application. I found my eyelashes coming off when I use regular eyelash glue, so I do like to use this. So if you don't want to use this, you can go ahead and use regular eyelash glue, but I can't tell you what to do if it keeps coming off. I also do like to use a pair of tweezers to apply my lashes. My fingers are too big. I wear nails. I can't do it that way. So what you want to do when you wear strip lashes, you always want to measure it to your eye. You don't want to go corner to corner. I don't like that, at least, because you can feel it. Like when you're wearing your lashes corner to corner, you can feel it, and it really looks silly. Like it looks like they just don't look right when you do it that way. So it's always important to cut the lash to the shape of your eye. And I have almond shaped eyes, so to not do that, it looks really silly. I will tell y'all that I end up having to cut this one a little bit shorter than what it was because I had messed it up. So what you want to do is get the tweezers. You don't want to use too much glue because that could really mess you up too. And you don't want to use less glue because that can mess you up too as far as your eyelashes lifting. So I am just going to apply one thin, it's hard for me to do it this way, but I'm just going to apply like a thin coat. And you can kind of like drag it along, like you don't have to use all of this what's on here. I just kind of like to dab it like that. I squeeze too much out, so. And then you can just wipe the excess glue off. And then I like to just kind of rub the glue that I did put on there and just stretch it across the whole lash. I'm not squeezing it as I'm doing this, I'm just rubbing it in. Blowing a little bit. It should look something like that. So when I first started using lashes, I used to pull my eye. I still do sometimes, but I like to pull my eye so I can see better. You don't have to pull it too much, but I like to go from, again, you see how short this one is? I had to cut it because I messed it up. But you want to just pull it and tack it right on. And then I go from end to end. I like to do the end first, like this side, because I don't know, that's just the way that I do it. And then you want to get as close to your lash line as possible. I like to hold it there so it can stay. You might want to push it in a little bit like that. You might want to lift the lash just to get it closer to the lash line. This is a lash with a thicker band, so sometimes you do have to be careful. You may have to add a little eyeliner. I really didn't place that where I wanted it, but y'all get the idea. And then you want to pinch it so it can blend better, or it can look better on your eye. You also want to make sure you start off with clean lashes. Like you want to wash them off or pick any excess glue from the previous time that you wore them. You do not have to throw your eyelashes away after every use. You can get a few wears out of them. Just make sure you keep them clean, remove the excess glue. So this lash actually is a little longer, but y'all get the idea. Now when you're taking your eyelashes off, you want to be very gentle because your eyelashes will come out. And then just gently pull them off or put a little oil on them and you can slide them right on off. Take the excess glue off, wash them, and tuck them away for the next time you want to wear them. This is the most simple way that I can tell you how to apply the lashes. That is all I have for you guys today. If you are new to my channel and you enjoyed today's video and I helped you apply your lashes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell button so you can stay notified on new videos. I will see y'all in 2021. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.